What's up guys, and welcome back to Before Crypto. I know the markets are quite frustrating at the moment, but we have to focus on the most important factor. And what that is, I'm going to show you in this video. And guys, we're also going to look at this Adam and Eve pattern, because as you guys can see, we perfectly broke out of this pattern and we also got a confirmed breakout. But then we saw this massive scam wick towards the upside to a level of nearly 21,000 US dollars. And we're going to find out what this massive scam wick was and how we could protect ourselves from these moves. And we're also going to look, because at the moment Bitcoin is getting a pump. Are we going to see some follow through and we can break out of this range and find support in these regions? Or are we going to see another scam wick and a dump towards the downside? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. So guys, if you want to support me, smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the video. Welcome back guys. First of all, before we're going to go over into the charts to find out where we are at the moment, guys, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. Support me on my journey and let's fight the algorithm together. And now let's go directly into the charts. Guys, as you know, I posted this in my Telegram group that we are in this Adam and Eve pattern and that we can see the Adam and the Eve. And we perfectly broke out of this pattern and we reached a level of $18,650. And then we saw a massive pump from these areas and we bounced all the way to a level of nearly 21,000 US dollars. And guys, we saw this massive scam wick over here. And guys, I think that this was a massive stop run and that took all of these short positions and the stop loss in these regions out from all the people that were shorting the market. But guys, I really do believe that we are still in this Adam and Eve pattern, and now we're going to find out where's our price target from this pattern. First of all, we're going to drag a trend line from the top all the way to the bottom of the neckline, and then we're going to drag it over to our potential breakout. And then we can see our price target is round about the 18,000 US dollars. So guys, I could expect that we are going to see a fake out, because at the moment we are seeing that Bitcoin is pumping. And I think that we are going to reach these levels and then we are going to see a fake out, and over the weekend we are going to reach our price target of 18,000 US dollars, or even going to revisit these areas. Because guys, at the moment this is our point of interest and we have a lot of liquidity, and most of the time these wicks get filled. So that means the price comes all the way down to these levels to fill this liquidity. So guys, let's go on the 1 hour chart to find out what this pump is doing at the moment. So guys, on the 1 hour chart you can see that we perfectly broke out from this Adam and Eve pattern, and then we found support on the support box, and then we saw a fake out, and then the price turned around and looked quite bearish, and then suddenly overnight we got this massive push towards the upside. And guys, you could see that afterwards that the price came all the way down to a level of 19,000 US dollars, and we perfectly found support in this support box. And guys, at the moment you can see that we have a lot of wicks towards the upside, and that means we have a lot of pressure from the upside. So guys, we don't have to get fooled from these pumps, because I think we are going to, if we are going to see a pump, we are just going to see the same scenario, that we are going to see a fake out and a lot of liquidity being pulled into the market. A lot of people will lose their short position that they have entered in these regions, and that we are going to turn around and that we are going to reach our price target from the Adam and Eve pattern at round about 17,800 US dollars. So guys, I think the most important thing that we have to consider at the moment is dollar cost average. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin, Ethereum and also the major altcoins. Because guys, once we are going to reach a bottom, we are going to see a strong move towards the upside and we won't reach these levels again. So guys, let's go on the weekly chart for Bitcoin to really find out where we are in the bigger perspective. So guys, as you guys can see, we are under the 20 weekly moving average, and that is quite bearish. And we also can see that we tested this area and then we saw a dump towards the downside. And guys, that's why I'm quite convinced that we are going to at least reach this liquidity wick down here. So guys, we are also going to look at the price targets that we could reach if we are going to reach even lower prices. And for that, I have some price targets. First of all, if we are going to break these lows, we could expect a level of $16,477 as our first price target, and as the worst case scenario, I would see the price target of $14,298 all the way down here. Because guys, if we zoom out a little bit, then we can see that this area is quite an important area, because this is also the high that we had in 2019. And we also had a lot of traffic in these regions of 2018. So guys, I think that this is going to be the most important areas that we have to dollar cost average, in between the 20,000 US dollars and the 14,000 US dollars. But guys, don't make the mistake and wait for the 14,000 US dollars, because guys, maybe we won't reach these prices ever again. So guys, buying now is the best opportunity for a long-term perspective. So guys, if you always want to stay up to date, go down in the video description and there you find my free Telegram group where I keep you updated daily. And guys, if you want to trade these price movements, use my MEXC global referral link where you receive a 25 US dollar Bitcoin airdrop. And guys, smash up the like button and subscribe to this channel. And we see each other in the next video. Bye.